Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang kuya gini di mana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya tadi. Papinjit kerpang ini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinjok buat kijing pedna. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Oh, kumta mo? Bilay si Bon.
Kahil State People Democratic Party HSPDP kabaitai langah ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA beralam kemat dengan National People Party NPP badanru wei MLA katau ba renikton lingdo tongkar hak kenhun menteri kalapan pau ke jing pyrshah ya ke jing temu ke Sorkar ban pentrikam ya ke Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arajar afwai lani ban penrung kendon anyi kam khalai nak benta ban penmi pisai ke jela ubak kipi pangniang presiden ke HSPDP ulai thu bah ke jelang sengsai pertai ke betai lang ke Sorkar MDA lani ke MDA Coordination Committee hak step khat ardrik jemang arjar kwar ulapun pau ba kampat long ban pentrikam ya ka walla ke don kam ban penklan ya ke jing penmi pisai ya ke jela
Azimut ya ke Sorkar lejong hi baya mentahi kam ha bangin pentri kami kan ya kan ka wala kalong kan need na ka banta ka financial ani ka revenue collection namar ba kan kata ya ka jela kan kata mi hini ki bon ba ki Kristen mo Kristen te hakasur ban ong ban pen legalize ya ka khalai lane ban wanra ya kata ka an ban pyrshah free ban khalai kan kalau pyrshah pi ya ka jing sngobei lane ya ka jing snow jing pai ba tengi paderu nakaliang jongi kinongalam jo party ru ni snow kumtai kunju ba kam pat day lane idei ba kane ka Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act arjar poi ban pentri kam no mardor hak jala Meghalaya kata kadai ke jing dawa ka jongi ka parti ba hak jo ko poru nagale ko chief minister ula ong ba nim semut bangin rasya gani rei bangin ang regulate ya ka kumba kalong no ki don ki benta pa ki bladon ki traditional practice kum ka setin par ki wei trekat bandon ke jing thuan bu ya kita ki casino ber ki wei na par chamdon ke jing thu jong kang rei kita walk out ya ka plan le ke jing thu jong kang ringi ong tongin persen ni shwa ya gani casino ber ki wei le te pi kan kta pi ya ka morality jongki brave po kan ga jala ju khamta mi ko sala ga ring step ba gane tin re ushi misa to la batai shahi mine ba kanom don ke jingta anom don ru ke jing sha mo ya ki samla ke jongi rengi pada ya kata tengi pat long shai ya kata du kanu pila ban sange ting ong wi pe ba ka phang pe sange shwa na ga leng ke jing snow jonga simet ba joka na kom ta ka parti jong ba yo mister apo ka kabinet bu nang ru ngatang ong shai kita ide ban tai bhai gane ide ban suthu bhai gane marki angi bonra hakane gari jungi jala ga jungi la ka jing thu golong ba bhang im lai ban ong bas ni mo re i kwai ban shai ga da bat bagi pai bar gin long walwas ki jing thu jong kata ka angi ban petrikam tina kata ka daw na leng jing parla ban digest kan kata ka daw tong im peseng iswa kata ka de jing pa jungi ya so ban
nakaliang umentirang ba kejala Meghalaya Konrad ke sangma uloong ba kejelang lai kren yatai ba ki kam khalai kanong ba sulong ni keleng kejala kemsim layai kerkum ki kanon ain la absence nembat kumta lawan ra ka Gaming Act.
We have been clarifying to everybody from day one is that the different kind of gaming parlors, they call jackpot parlors, they have been there in Shillong and other parts of the state for the past 25 years. And these have been functioning without any rules, any laws or any regulation, and obviously that means that they're not paying any tax either. So that is the reason why this particular Gaming Act has been brought in to regulate these existing gaming parlors and jackpot parlors so that they come within the law, and more importantly they come in to pay taxes. And this is not being done to start new, casinos or start new gaming parlors or anything like that within Shillong city. Smaller online gaming parlors which are already going on, as I said, for past 25 years, has been brought in to regulate them. And I'm very clear on this fact that this is not going to lead to any kind of casinos or anything like that coming up anywhere in the capital or anywhere in the major tourist destinations, or nor in any part of the major town areas. If we move forward, after we discuss in detail with stakeholders and with the cabinet, if we move forward, it will be in specific locations which will be more towards the border in Assam, and it will be in areas where we feel that there could be source of revenue for the state without actually harming the state in terms of the social impact that may have. But that also, as I said, will be something that will be discussed at the cabinet level. But as of now, it is only being done to regulate the gaming parlors and the jackpot parlors which are already present for the past 25 years.